The fat burning method I personally found to be better than keto, better than intermittent fasting. I'm going to break it down for you really simply right now and stick till the last point, number 6. I'm going to throw in a bonus number 7, because if you want to get off bags of drugs like I've been able to lead hundreds of thousands of people to be able to do, this is the way to go about it. People just give me these empty bottles after they get off their medications. So welcome to the doc's office. It's Dr. Livingood here. Let's dive in. Rotational fasting. Might never heard of it before. We're going to confuse that metabolism. If you get stuck with your diet regimen, if you've tried intermittent fasting and it just plateaued over time, or the results kind of stall out, or maybe you've never explored that at all, here's how you can truly reset your metabolism and not have it be stuck in this sort of autopilot mode, but continue to challenge it. It's no different than working out in a gym. If you want to build muscle and you want to change your physique, you got to challenge it in different ways. This is exactly what's going to go down right here. So, rotational fasting. Here's how to do it, all right? Don't worry about keeping up too much. I put a training below to go in depth on this. Fat burning training. Here's how you can tap in and supercharge this thing fast. I went and did a lot of coaching with an extensive researcher in this area, and I was fascinated by how few people talk about this. Rotational fasting, you're about to unleash it. All right, here's how you do it. All right, we're going straight to it. This is going to help your body not plateau. It worked better for me to drop body fat than anything I've ever done. I've done low carb, paleo, keto, intermittent fasting, all those things. This right here is what melted body fat and got me down to my high school weight. So here we go. Number 1, start by eating 3 meals a day. It was so weird for me at first. 3 meals, I skip it. I intermittent fast already. I'm already doing keto. I'm curbing my consumption down. 3 meals a day, no snacking. Now, if you can make those low carb, you're really going to start cranking this thing up. All right. So 3 meals a day, just a rhythm. So this is week number 1. So we are breaking down the weeks right here. Okay. So week number 1, that's all you're doing all week long. 3 meals per day, steady. Get your metabolism back into rhythm. Get your metabolism back into rhythm. That's what we're going for, okay? Then we're going to change the beats up. And anyway, all right, I'll stop drumming. So, number 2, we're going half breakfast. This is week 2, okay? So we're just working our way down through, all right? I'm going to show you how to do this in 6 weeks. Half breakfast, half size, okay? Half size breakfast, that means normal lunch, normal dinner. I would encourage, again, lower carbohydrates during those meals, higher fat content, clean protein. If you need help on the 5 guidelines of how to eat, grab one of my free books down below. It's an Amazon bestseller for a reason. It helps you go through those guidelines, not a diet, the 5 guidelines. So you follow the 5 guidelines for eating, okay? Half-size dinner, half-size breakfast. Now, week 3, no breakfast. This is your classic intermittent fasting, right? This is your IF. Some of you have been there, but we're not going to stay there. We're going to tap into the potential of it, get the body cranking up. Do you see how we're slowly amping up the metabolism? You're not shocking the system like we do with radical eating plans or misused fasting. We are slowly amping up and fixing your broken metabolism. That's what it's about. Okay, number 4, no breakfast, half-size dinner. All right, we're curbing back that consumption even more. So now we got a normal size lunch. We have no breakfast, half-size dinner, okay? Then we go to week 5, all right? During week 5, let's keep following the no AM or half PM, or if you prefer, just the no AM. One of these two, so you keep following one of these two right here, and then pick one full day. You pick it, pick a day. What's your best day to fast on? Maybe it's your busiest day. That's what I feel, right? Give me like a Monday or a Wednesday or just a loaded day. I'm not thinking about food. I just got stuff to do. That helps me. Pick your full day fast, okay? Then tippy toe into week number 6. Pick 2 days. Doesn't matter to me. Tuesday, Thursday, Monday, Wednesday, Monday, Friday. You could try Saturday or Sunday. I just find the weekends are harder unless you work on the weekends, right? Pick 2 days. And then what starts to happen? I'm going to stop you there. I went all the way to 7 and I just kept ratcheting my way up. It took me 12 weeks to get there. But let's just start with 6, okay? You're going to tap into the beautiful state of autophagy, especially if you do these 2 days consecutive. Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday. If you do them back to back, your body now has no new raw material in it, and it is just searching for whatever's left in your body to make new cells out of, because you're cranking out billions of cells every hour inside your body, just pumping them out. You need new ones for your skin, for your liver, for your brain. Your body's, well, I got to start using all the spares, all the garbage, all the recycled stuff, and it'll start turning over viruses. It'll start turning over fat cells. It'll start tapping into this. It's incredible what the body's capable of. That's called autophagy. That is your recycling system. That's what we want to tap into. Now, here's key. This is huge. Point number 7. I told you, if you really want to fix this thing and you really want to finally get over the plateaus and level out your metabolism, here's what you need to do. You could keep going, okay? You could go up to 3 days of fasting in a week or all the way up to 7. I'm going to stop you there. The training will break down the next steps. But this is very crucial. Once you finish here, you need to go back up the chain. What does that mean? Reverse the order. This is super crucial. People don't come out of dieting. That's why there's end dates and you crash and then you fall off the wagon and some of you get ran over by the wagon. You have to reset your metabolism, get it used to eating normally again. So reverse it, okay, start coming back down. So after you do your 2 days of fasting, then go back to the next week. So this would be week 5 and week 7. This would be week 4 and week 8. So on week 8, then you go to no AM, half PM. Then week 9, you go no AM. And then week 10, you go to half AM. And then you're back to 3 meals a day. And that's where you could stay. Or if you're like, I don't like 3 meals, I don't enjoy 3 meals a day myself, I'd probably stop somewhere right here. And this would be my new normal. And then I would implement intermittent fasting. But then every once in a while, I'd crank back up the ladder and come back down the ladder. That is rotational fasting, my friends. I put a whole training, fat burning training below. You want weight loss? You want off the medications? You want to tap into autophagy and clean up the system and detox your body? Check out that training. It's below in the link. Subscribe, and I'll keep helping you through experiencing real health. It's Dr. Livingood. Hit that subscribe button, like and comment. How far are you going to go? Think you could do a full 1 day or 2 days? Leave a comment below. Check out the next videos.